Hi guys, let's see how to connect this Cibest mini projector to an Android phone. In this case I have a Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Android phone, okay? So you need a cable to connect this to the projector. This is the W13 and there is no way to connect via Bluetooth. Here is an HDMI port, you just need to use a cable and connect directly, and then you come here to the projector and you just select HDMI. Let me just show how it works. So here's the phone. And here I have the cable. You need to use one like this, HDMI to USB-C, okay? Let me just get some focus here so you see better. That's the one, HDMI to USB-C. I'm gonna leave the link here in the description, okay, so you can get this one. Just be aware that some cables don't work because it's a specific cable that should work for this phone, all right? So let me just bring the phone here. Just unlock it, put it here, so you see that I need to connect the HDMI cable just here into the port, just like so. And then I connect the other end here, which is a USB-C, to the USB-C port here on the phone. And as long as I have the HDMI selected here, it's going to work. Let me just get the remote control, come here to the HDMI and select this one. Just wait for a while, it's going to load here. Depending on the phone that you have, it's going to mirror, or you can use Samsung DeX, which you can use a cursor in the screen and control the screen. In this case, I'm just in mirror mode, so what I have here in the phone just shows up there, and I can just come here and start playing it. There we go, you see the sounds coming here from the speaker, right? Sometimes it's not loud enough, then you can connect an external speaker just like here, right? I'll leave the link in the description for an external speaker and also for the cable, which is pretty important to use this one, right? So it's basically working, as you can see. It just plays from here. And you see that's playing back there. Pretty good. All right, so it's simple like this. You just need to connect the cable and you're good to go. So that's the way you can connect your cell phone, meaning an Android phone, to the Cibest W13 mini projector. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.